Hey guys, it's Connor. So today I just wanted to go over some of the features available in the Logi Options Plus software. So for starters, once you have your MX Master 4 connected, you can use the Actions ring, and by default, you'll have this scroll wheel pop up. You can go to this bottom option, which will, again, by default be the Logi Options Plus software. Clicking this button will open the software itself. Now, any other devices that you have connected will show up right here. For now, I only have the mouse connected, which is why that is the only item that is showing up. Now, I can see my battery level, my connection status, and I can also just go ahead and click on this to open the main control hub for this mouse. Now, as you can see right here under the Buttons tab, I have the ability to customize all of these buttons. So if I wanted to go to the middle button and I wanted to make it show or hide the desktop, I can do that. And then by clicking the middle button, it'll show and hide the desktop. Now, you have plenty of different customization options. There are all of these different AI actions, smart actions, and other actions, and you can reprogram all of these. So if you don't like what is there by default, you can spend hours customizing it to your liking. You can also program different apps to have a default profile. So for example, if I have Adobe Audition open, I've switched it so that instead of it being forward and backwards like it is by default, I have these two central buttons set to undo and redo so that I can quickly change any edits I've made. There are plenty of different apps that will have future support or apps that are slightly limited right now. Logitech is always updating that, so you can just check back daily and there will be new apps each and every day for you. So we can go in here to point, scroll, and press. Same thing, we have different customization options for the different scroll wheels, sensitivities, the actions ring sensitivity, etc. You can change the different DPI settings. The haptic feedback button allows you to change the intensity, the battery saving mode, and the feedback itself for the actions ring. The easy switch is helpful for showing any of your currently connected devices and what those connection modes are. So for example, I have it set to connection mode 1 is how to connect via Bluetooth to my Mac, and when I put it into connection mode 3, that's when I have the Bolt receiver connected. Flow, I'm not currently using Flow, but Logiflow would allow you to use different computers altogether and seamlessly share all of your settings, files, etc. So that's a helpful feature if you're looking for it. And then the overall settings is here so that you can have firmware updates, etc. Now, one of the things that I like is when you go into the actions ring itself, configure actions ring is right here. This is where you can spend so much time changing all of these settings. As you can see right now, I have Lightroom, Photoshop, Illustrator, etc., and I have some of my go-to tools already set to the actions ring. You can spend hours doing this, and I encourage you to do so. For now, this is what I have just because this is what I'm using the most, and I haven't spent as much time in Photoshop directly configuring this wheel. But there are truly so many different options, and that's one of the best reasons to upgrade to this mouse over the 3 or the 3S or other options that are on the market right now. So I highly encourage you to go explore that once you have this software downloaded.